In this video, I'm going to talk about object reusability and integer catching in Python. So in previous video, we have touched this topic. In today's video, we are going to cover it in detail. So Python is very smart in how it manages its memory. So instead of creating the same objects again and again, uh, Python reuses certain objects. So this saves memory and makes performance faster. For example, Python uses small integers. Like yesterday, I've told some range 0 to 255, but actual range is from -5 to 256. This is the correct and actual the range. And I've told you that it also covers some string like 4 character or 5 character. So this technique is nothing but integer catching. First, we'll see programmatically, then we'll draw some diagram in order to get more insights. So when I say a equal to 10, b equal to 10, so now a and b has same value, and if I write a equal to b, so we have seen that equal to is operator that check the equality, so it will only gonna return true because both the value are same. Now we'll use here is operator. Now is a is b, so it will also return true because we have seen that object reusability works from -5 to 256. So now here we'll use id function in order to prove that why it is true. And id of b. So both the variables have same address location where they are stored in RAM. So this proves that 10 and this proves that the Python number 10 only got created once only. Both variables a and b pointing to that same object. So now if I like take larger integer here, let's say suppose 1000. So is now what will happen? A is b will get false because it is out of our range. And when we see the address location of a and address location of b, both are different. So this is it. So diagrammatically, if we want to understand, So here we can see that both the example equal to 10. In this scenario, what is happening? 10 is getting created only once, and we are reusing it when we have declared b is equal to 10. And in case when we are exceeding this range, the 1000 and 1000, both the things will get created twice. So each thing is different here. Similarly, this concept is applicable in data structure as well. So the real world analogy would be voter ID card for like 100 crore people. Imagine India's 100 crore voters. Each voter has a voter ID card with details like name, address, and age. Now think about age field. Most people's age will fall between 18 and 100. If Python created a new object for every voter age, it would need 100 crores integer object in memory. That is huge waste of memory. Instead of Python reuse the same age object. So that's why it is more efficient and it enhances the performance. If 10 crore voters are 18-year-old, Python will not create 10 crore different 18 object. It will only create 18 objects. 18 object which is only for one time. So this is how object reusability like saves memory and improves performance.